Hey everyone, how are you? Can you hear me? Is my voice audible? So the session will be in English, okay? Because there are many people, but it will be understandable for everyone, okay? And Microsoft Teams is not working now. I think both YouTube and Teams is creating problems. So I made it YouTube itself so that everyone can watch it easily, okay? So let's wait for some more time. So let people join. Maybe another 2-3 minutes and then we'll start. And by the way, Independence Day wishes to all. Okay, hope you all hosted the flag and saluted a nation. So let's start another 2-3 minutes. Okay. By the way, do you hear me, everyone? Is my voice audible? Yeah. Okay. Great. Yes. Thank you. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Okay, to our channel. There are many useful videos in the channel that you can make use of, and through your support we put more videos and make this channel more useful. Thank you so much. So let's wait for another 2-3 minutes and we'll start. So we have 60 people already. uh, there are 400 in the group. Let's see. My name is Muhammad Ilyas. Okay, my name is Muhammad Ilyas, and I run a company called IT Expert Training, what you see in this channel. And we train people on different technologies, recent technologies. We go to colleges, conduct training sessions, conduct workshops, value added courses, internship trainings, project guidance, and we conduct different sorts of training for professional people. And we also conduct sessions for faculties of colleges. So we are all into training totally. And we are also an IT company. Okay, we have a separate company where we do projects. Okay, development projects, company projects, not student projects, company projects. We industrial projects. We develop apps. We create IoT products. So that's another version of us. So we have two. Yes, I came to Agni College. Yes, I came to Agni College. Yes, I have been to like more than 100 or 150 colleges across India. I used to go to colleges. I used to travel to different colleges. My work is to go to colleges basically. My company's name is IT Expert Training. Okay, fine. Okay, so it's 12:08. It's 12:08, and I think we can start now. Before starting, what I suggest is you better have your mobile phone as well as your laptop if possible, because this is not a lecture. Okay, this is not a seminar or a webinar where I'm going to speak and you're going to listen. So basically you are going to develop a tool, an AI tool. Okay, so what I suggest is you better have your mobile phone, watch it and do this in your laptop. That will be better. Okay, because when you do as I'm doing, if you get any doubts or if you get stuck somewhere, you will be able to rectify it easily. You can ask me immediately and get it rectified. Otherwise, even though you do it later, if you come across a problem, you won't be able to contact me quickly and rectify it. So I suggest you to have a mobile phone and a laptop, or you can have two screens. If you have a system with two screens, in one screen you can watch my video. In another screen you can actually do as I'm doing. Okay, I will go slowly so that everyone can do. Okay, and if you face any problem, if you have any doubts, you can always ask me in the chat. And by the way, please keep this in mind. The streaming will be like few seconds later. Okay, so if I speak now, you will be receiving it maybe 10 seconds and 50 seconds later, because that's how streaming works. Okay, so if you're asking something, I may be answering it late. Okay, so please keep that in mind. Anyway, so let's give a simple reminder to the group again and we'll start. Okay, please join. And okay, so I gave a simple reminder. Okay, great. Okay, let's start. So AI mobile app in under 30 minutes. So that is the topic, right? See, AI mobile app is basically a trending one. AI is trending already, right? So starting with ChatGPT, we have been using ChatGPT for a longer time, almost like many years now, right? So we've been using since 2021 or something. So since ChatGPT came, from that time, many AI tools have come, okay, and through those AI tools, people are earning a lot, okay. See, they don't see this tools as something for job or something as just knowledge. People are earning with ChatGPT itself, okay. You can see there are many there is option here called explore ChatGPTs here, explore GPTs, and if you click on that, you'll see a lot of GPTs created by other people. See, these other GPTs created by other people, and you can create your own GPT in ChatGPT itself, but that's not we are going to do. We are going to create our own app actually, but just let me show that also. So you will be able to create your own GPTs based on your requirement, and you can even make it available for others, and you can for example you can even charge them. For example, now this is free or what, let me check it, because certain GPTs can be charged. You can start a chat and let's see. Okay, now this is not someone has created something called Scholar GPT. Okay, so basically they will convert okay, they'll create I think the PDF and PPT for you all, PDF for you all, be for your papers, for your research papers. So the point here is you can start earning with your skill of generating your own AI tool, okay. And I used to show this news to many people. There's a website called Dime a Dozen. Now it was created by two people, okay. They created it, you see this here. So they built an AI startup for 15,000 rupees, okay. See, they just invested 15,000 rupees, and in 1 year they sold the AI tool for 1.2 crores. You see that in 1 year they sold this for 1.2 crores, and they were able to just integrate ChatGPT and make use of it. So that is it. Now if you go to the look at the website, okay, let me show the website. So if you look at the website, it's a very simple website, not very complicated, okay. It's a very normal website. If you go to it, you can watch it. Basically it validates your business idea, okay. So if you give a business name and give your idea, it will generate for you different reports, okay, what you can do, how you can do market research, how you can launch and scale, how you can raise capital. So they give all this, okay, certain things for free, and if you want full report on how to start this business and run it, they will charge you like this, okay. For full report on how to run your, how to bring your business idea into action, they will charge you this. So basically they use ChatGPT here. You can see here they use GPT-4, which is ChatGPT thing. GPT-4 is one part of ChatGPT basically. Okay, GPT-4 comes with ChatGPT. So they were able to integrate ChatGPT with their website, make use of it, and they are able to make money now. Now this, since they are able to generate $39 for each and every report, it is sold for 1.2 crores, because the amount of income it can generate is huge, okay. So that is what happens in everywhere. You must have used InVideo, right? In video is something where you can generate videos, AI videos, okay, and they have some pricing plans. So every AI tool you see now have pricing plans. See, ChatGPT 4 is free for some time. There is I'll see what we're going to do today is a free step, but at some point you have to give money and make use of it. Okay, fine. See, they charge here. Also, there is something called, I think the famous audio AI tool called Level Labs. This is the famous audio tab. They'll convert text to speech. It will be really like a human. Actually, I'm using it. Actually, I'm using it for converting my text to speech, and you can have something for free. But again, they have pricing plans. So everyone who is creating AI tools is making money out of it. So that is why I wanted to actually teach people on how to create a simple AI app for ourselves at least. At least for ourselves, we can make use of it. Even if you're not generating income out of it, at least you can make use of it, and for your own purpose. Because creating an image is cost. AI image is you have to pay. Okay, but using this tool we're going to create today, we can generate simple images. Okay, I sent you in the group, right? So something like that for free, okay, for some time. Okay, it can't be free always, for some time at least. Anyways, so let's start. So we'll start from the scratch. What I want you to do, let's do something. Let me have my another account, so that will be easy for me. So you have to go to a website called, one second. So let me close this. Okay. Okay, I'll bring it here. Okay, so I'll use this account. I want you to log into this MIT App Inventor. MIT App Inventor is a tool, okay, which you will be using for creating this app. MIT App Inventor is a app development tool without coding. Okay, if you go inside it, you can see you can create a like mobile app without coding using this. Okay, so if you'll see an option called create apps here. If you click create apps, it will take you to login page. See, I want all of you to do this. I want all of you to do this now. I want you to just search for MIT App Inventor. Let me repeat again. Search for MIT App Inventor. Okay, when you search MIT App, you will come to this website. In MIT App Inventor website, you will see create apps option. Okay, you go on, you will see create apps option. When you click create apps option, you will end up in the screen. It will ask you to log in actually. Okay, after you log in, you will come to the screen, like this screen. Come on, I'll give you 2 minutes to do this. I'll give you 2 minutes to log in to MIT App Inventor. Come to the screen. Okay, yes, it's a safe website, don't worry, it's a safe website. You don't have to worry about it. It's a very safe website because it is created by MIT students. You know MIT, right? Massachusetts Institute of Technology in US, and they are top people in AI stuff. They are creating many tools like this. Okay, so MIT is it's a very good university. It's a top one. Actually, they created this tool more than 15 years back. I remember using it even when I was doing my college days, 2010, 2012. Okay, so it's a very good tool actually. MIT App Inventor. There are many people who are even students are using it for creating many apps. Okay, you can see here many school students are creating superb apps using MIT App Inventor. So not only for this, if you want to create an app for yourself, you can create. For example, you may need an expense manager, you may need a task manager, okay, to-do list. So you can do all that your own way, okay, using this MIT App Inventor. So go explore all the options. Okay, so there are many things you can do. You can even start earning with it because this MIT App Inventor have option for showing ads also. You can show Google ads also in this. So let's say you are creating a blog app where people can read content. You can put Google ads and earn through it. When people come and read your blog in your app, you can get earnings, okay, by adding Google ads. So everything you learn, okay, you look at it a point of earning. Okay, that's how I usually teach people. I don't usually teach people for jobs or just for knowledge. I always tell people every skill you learn is a way to earn something. Okay, it's a way to earn something. Every skill is a earning way. So try to look at that point and we can start working on that. Anyways, so let's start. So I hope you are all in the screen. Okay, you won't see any projects here. Your screen will be empty. But I have created so many projects here, so I'm seeing it. But when you log in, this space will be empty. Okay. Yes, you can create a chatbot using MIT App Inventor. That's what we're going to basically create. We're going to create a ChatGPT-like chatbot now. Okay, fine. So you'll see new project option here. Let me show it. Let me delete this one because I want to delete this and start it again. Okay, let me show you. So you have create new project option. You see here, there's new project option. Click on that, and when you click on new project option, it will ask you for a name. Give your own name. For example, I'll name it as my GPT version 2. I'll put it as version 2 because I have already my GPT. So my project name is my GPT version 2, and toolkit and toolkit and theme, keep it as it is. Okay, no need to change anything. Keep it default settings. Just give like this and click OK. Okay, click OK. Fine. Now what you have to do is, after you create the project, you will end up in this screen. Are you seeing this? So those who have created, are you seeing this thing? So let me know. So once you're done with creating a project, you will end up in this screen. So again, I'll give you 1 minute, okay, to come to the screen. So come on, let me repeat again. What you have to do is, after you log in, okay, you will come to this my project screen. You have to go to new project and then give a name and then click OK. So after you click OK, you will come to this screen. Okay, so this is where you're going to create our project now, right? Fine. So let me tell you what the screen has. So this screen has multiple sections. On the left side, you have all the components of an app. Okay. Generally for an app, you call everything as a component. A button is a component. An image is a component. A slider is a component. So everything you have in an app is called a component. Okay. So you see all the components on the left side. You see user interface components are these. User interface means something you interact with. Okay, something you interact with. So these are user interface components: a button, a checkbox, an image, a label. A label means any text. Okay, a notifier, a password text box, a normal text box. All these are users interact with. Okay, so these are basically user interface components. And if you come down, you'll see something called layout components. If you click on it, it will expand. Okay, so layout components means how you arrange things. You want to put two buttons side by side, or you want to put two buttons top and bottom. So if you want to arrange things, okay, in the way you want to, then you have to use layout components. Okay, then you can use media components. Media means camera, all these are media. Okay, image picker, sound recorder, speech recognizer, okay, like okay Google, or text to speech. Okay, you have something text to speech. Speech output yet. Oh, sorry, my Google started saying something. I'm sorry, 1 second. Okay, so you can use all of these now, translator and all this, and then you can have something called layout components. Oh, I said layout. So drawing animation component, okay, maps. So you have lots of components on the left side. I don't want to go deep into everything. You can go explore them, all of them yourself. Okay, they're all useful. Okay, what I will just go through few of them, what we need for this session. First of all, let me tell you how to make use of this, how to create a simple app first. Okay, before creating the ChatGPT app, let me show you how to create a simple app. Okay, for example, let's say I want to add a button. Okay, I want to have, you can just drag and drop it here. See, By the way, before that, see on this side, you see screen 1. You see screen 1 here. When you click screen 1, you can see the properties of screen 1 here. You see all the properties screen 1 on the right side. For example, if I want to change the background color, I can change. I can click on this and change the background color to, let's say, cyan. You see that it changed to blue color now. Or you can see, you can change the properties of the screen. Let me keep it white itself. I like white itself. So you can change the properties of the screen by using this. You can add a background image also. Let's say you have some image you want to add as a background image. You can click on it, upload the file, okay, and add the background image. Okay, fine. So let's say I want to add a button now. I have to just drag this and put it here. See, I'm just dragging this and put it here, and it got added. And you can also see the button got added here. You see that inside screen 1 button got added. Okay, please make note of it. Okay, yeah, so Flutter Flow is actually difficult compared to this. Okay, Flutter Flow is difficult actually. This is very easier. Okay, fine. Listen, so and in screen 1 you have added button. Let's say I want to change the properties of button. For example, first of all, I have something called text for button 1 on top, right? I want to change this text. How to change the text? Click on button 1, click on button 1, and then you come down, and here you will see this text for button 1. Okay, you can change. For example, I'll say click me. Anything you can add. So I'll say just click me and press enter. You can see it got changed here. See, it got changed here as click me. Also, let's say I want to change the background color to black, and I also want to change text color. I want to change text color to, let's say, white color. Okay, so you can change all of them. Also, I want to make the font bold. I want to increase the font size to, let's say, 25. See, and I want to change the button shape also to, let's say, a rounded shape. See, I can make all these changes. Okay, see, it depends on you. However you want to show it, however you want to alter it, you alter it yourself. It's up to you. I don't want to say what to do, but you should know all this. Okay, just add a button and put some text on top of it. Okay, click on the button 1, put on text on top of it, and then you can just change the properties like color, shape, text color, and all that. Now let's say I want to show some text. Okay, I want to show some text now. How can I show some text? For text, you have to add a label. Okay, you have to add a label now. So let me add a label here. Label means text. Okay, label means any text. So add a label here, and let's say for now, okay, let me put this label on top. I'm putting this label on top of button. I'm going to make it as welcome. See, welcome. And then I want to increase the font size, so let's say 30, and I want to change the, okay, make it bold. I want to change the font type, okay, monospace, and then I want, okay, let's increase font size more, and then I want to let's say change the color of the text, so let's say blue. See, okay, I changed all this. Okay, you can do all these things. So after doing this, now listen to me, everyone. I hope you are all doing this. So I have added a label and a button. Okay, I have added a label and a button. Now what you just did now is actually the appearance part of an app. Now this is actually the appearance, right? This is how your app will look like in your mobile app. Now how to check this in the mobile? After creating this, I want to check this in mobile, right? Only then I will be able to check whether my app is working or not. Now how to check it? For that, you have to download a MIT app called MIT App Inventor, MIT Companion app. It's called MIT Companion app. See this one. You have to download this mobile app in your mobile to mirror this. Actually, what we will be doing is we will mirror the screen in this app and see. Let me repeat. See, after you create the screen, you have created a label and a button. After you have created this, to check whether this app is working properly or not, you have to check this in your mobile phone, right? For that, you have to download this MIT AI2 companion app. So let me do it. I'll show my mobile screen, and 1 second. So 1 second. So let me do it. So let me do that. Okay. How many of you downloading? Please download this. Download this MIT AI2 companion app. Come on. Come on, do it. So I'll wait for some time. I'll wait for some time. So please do it. I want you to download this. Come on. If you're done downloading this app, please let me know. After you download, open, you will see the screen. After you download and open, you will see the screen. Are you seeing the screen? So those are doing, let me know please. Those are doing, after you download this app and install it, you will see the screen coming up. Are you seeing it? You can even use mobile phone. You can even use mobile phone. You can even use mobile phone, not an issue. Okay, how to change color and button? See, if you want to change the color and button, you select the button. Okay, you see text, you see background color and then text color. You'll see two things, text color and button. Yeah. Okay, you can use them. For iPhone also same MIT App Companion app. For iPhone also, if you're using iPhone, okay, you have to use this same app. You can see same app there. Come on. See, once you're downloading, install it, please let me know. I'll give another 2 minutes. I'll give another 1 or 2 minutes. So after that, I'll start doing it. After, I'll give 1 or 2 minutes. Download this mobile app. Okay, super. So download this mobile app and then you can make use of it. Yes. Okay. So let me start. Shall I start now? I'll start now. Okay. See, you'll see the screen. You'll see. Let me show you. See. So this is my app. So after you download and install, you will see the screen. This is the app. Okay. So let me close this. Let me close this. See, let me show you again. So after you download and install, this is the app you will be getting. Okay, this is what you will see. Hope you are all seeing this. Okay, hope you are all seeing this. Now what you have to do is, see what happens now. You have to go to this MIT App Inventor. On top you will be seeing something called connect. See connect option here. Click on connect and click AI companion. Okay, click on connect and click AI companion. When you click AI companion, you will get a QR code. Now you have to scan this QR code from this mobile app. So you have to scan this QR code. 1 second. So using your mobile app, where is it? Okay. So you click scan QR code. When you click scan QR, the window this will open, and you come here and scan it. After you scan it, wait for some time. So I scanned it. Wait for some time. This app, okay, this app will come to your mobile. See, I got it now. See, I got it. Are you all getting it? This is how you have to check your app actually. You got it? Fine. Good. Now the next important part. Now this is very important. After you scan it and get the mobile app in your mobile actually, now you have to write the logic. Now this is very important. Okay. After creating the appearance, okay, you have to actually write the logic now. How to write the logic? For example, in this case, let's say I want to add one more button. See, I'm adding one more button, and I'm going to make it like okay, make the button as change. Okay, I'm going to make the button as change, and it's got to change. And let's say I want to change the background color to, let's say, red, and text color to, let's say, white color, and font to bold, and increase the font size to 25. So I have two buttons now. Click me and change. Now listen everyone. Okay, I want everyone to listen. You can stop doing whatever you're doing. Listen to me. I want to write a logic now. The logic is, when I click this click me button, I want this welcome, okay, this welcome to change to not welcome. Okay, when I click this button, welcome should change to go away, let's say. And when you click change, it should come back to welcome. Now let's say this is the logic I want to write. Now this is just for example, okay, just for example, I want to show you how to write a logic. That's why I'm giving you a simple example. The logic I want to write here is, when I click this click me button, welcome should change to go away, and when I click change, it should come back to welcome. Now to write any logic, you have to come to block screen. Okay, to write any logic, you have to come to block screen. You see this block screen here? So this is the block screen. You have to come back to block screen here, and this is where you have to actually write your logic. Okay, now this logic you want to write, how to write? For example, on the left side you can see the three components we added. We added one label, we added button 1, button 2. Okay, see here, this is button 1, this is button 2, this is label 1. Okay, you have to keep that in mind properly. You have to remember that this is button 1, this is button 2, this is label 1. Now using that, you can come to block screen here. See, blocks is on the right side. On top right, you will see two options, designer and blocks. Okay, and you have to click block screen to write the logic. So this is where you have to write the logic. What you are doing now is, let's say, okay, let me put it in words. See, let me show you. I want to see, I want everyone to properly, because writing logic is like saying whatever you want to show something. What is it? Why notepads not coming? Okay, why no? Okay, for example, why notepad is not working? I'm sorry. Okay, I don't know why notepad is not working. Anyways, listen. So let me show you how to write the logic. Okay, to write the logic, you have to actually. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't know why it's getting stuck somewhere for some reason. Is my streaming proper? It's proper, right? I think it's proper. I don't think you're facing any problems. Okay. Okay, fine. Let me repeat. Actually wanted to write a notepad actually. Why notepad is not working? Okay. Online notepad. Everything we have available online now. So you don't have to even if your offline notepad is not working, you can go with online notepad and starting with it. Okay, we have something here. So let's make use. I want to write the logic first and then do that in the logic. Okay. That way you can make it easy. Okay, it's very slow. Why? Okay. Okay. Now why it's very slow? Is my browser not working? 1 second, people. Okay, actually, I don't know why the Google is not loading properly. Mm, okay, I don't think. Okay, we'll proceed. No issues. We'll proceed because I think because of so many streaming going on. Second, so okay, I stopped one. Okay. Fine, guys. I'm sorry. Sorry for the late. Thanks for being patient. I'm just checking why Notepad is not working. My actually start itself is not working for some reason. Anyways, you can listen to me. You can listen to my thing I'm saying. Okay. Let me stop everything. Stop this. Okay. So I'm closing all the unnecessary windows so that it becomes uh, fast again. This one is this. Okay, I don't think I need WhatsApp also. I'll close WhatsApp. And what is this? And this also I'll close. Okay, fine. Okay, I hope you're all seeing it now. So let me repeat. For some reason, this has stopped. Why this has stopped? This Microsoft Teams is creating problems. Sorry, I opened it by accident. I told you, right? My Microsoft Teams are not working properly. It's creating. I opened it by accident and it's creating problems now. Sorry. Wait a minute for. Give me some time. Okay. Second. Okay, fine. So let me write the logic. Now listen to my words. Okay, listen to my words. The words are when I click button one. Listen to my words. Okay. When I click button one, I want to change label one text property to go away. Okay. Listen to me again. Listen to me again. The logic I want to write is when I click button 1, which is click me, okay, when I click button 1, I want to change label 1's text value to go away. Okay, you understand this, right? That's what I want to do. Now, how to put this as a blocks here? How to put this as a blocks here? We can put this as a blocks like this. First you go to button 1, you will see this option called when button 1 dot click, okay, which means when you click button 1, what do you want to do? So drag this. So when I click button 1, do something. When button 1 is clicked, do something. What we want to do actually? We want to change the label 1's text property to go away. Let me repeat. When I click button 1, you want to change the label 1's text property to go away. Where is text property? You can see it here. There are two things here, label 1 dot text and set label 1 text. We actually want to change it, right? We want to change the welcome to go away. So we want to set it, okay? So drag the set and put it correctly inside this. That's it. Let me repeat. When I click button 1, I want to change the label 1's text property, text value to something. And what I want to change it to? I want to change it to go away. That's a text, right? So you see text option on the left side, text on the left side, you click on that, you'll see text option here, okay, text option here, drag this and put this here and you'll see text option, you can say go away, go away. See, this is how you write logic, okay. I hope it's easy, right? I hope this is easy, you will easily understand this, okay. This is how you have to write the logic. You just say that in words in English and then you can easily find the blocks and put it here. And similarly, what I want to do next, when I click button 2, see, when I click button 2, which is this button, I want to change it back to welcome. How will you do it? So first go to button 2 and you'll see this button 2 dot click. So when you click button 2, again go to label 1, set label 1 dot text to welcome again. See, let me go to text. This is welcome. Welcome again. That's it. See, this is how you write logic in MIT. There's no need of coding, but you have to write the logics like using blocks. What you want to do, okay, that functionalities, you have to write it as a logic like this using blocks. Now shall we test this now? Shall we test it? Now we have this app ready with logic also. So we have this app ready with the logic also. So if I click this now, it will change it to go away. If I click this, it change it to welcome again. See, it won't change here. Keep that in mind. Your app won't work at this window. That is why you need to have your mobile phone. You have to check your app in mobile phone only. It won't work here. You can only see the appearance. If you click here, nothing will happen. So you have to check it using your mobile phone. And for that, I have to go scan it again. Okay, I got this QR code. Let me scan it again. Okay. So first of all, let me stream my thing. Okay, start streaming. Start now. And okay, so here it is. So this is my mobile app now. So let me go to MIT App Inventor and let me scan this. Okay, let me scan this. Okay, let me scan this. Okay, I scanned it. Let's wait. Okay, I scanned it. Let's wait for some time. I scanned it. Wait for some time. Okay, see, I got it. I got the app in my mobile phone. Now let me check it. If I click me, see, it's changed to go away. If I click change, it changed to welcome again. It's working. See, when I click me, it goes to it changed to go away. When I click change, it changed to welcome. Okay, don't worry about the aligning now. Okay, don't worry about the aligning now. We can look at the aligning and look for example, if you want to make it beautiful, you want to make it looking nice, you see later, because we want only the functionality now. We will create the functionality now. for making it look neater and all, you do it later yourself. You can explore and do it later, because if you cover that and all, it will take time. Okay, I hope you understand that. So let me repeat. So I'm able to see this app working now. When I click me, it's coming to go away. When I click change, it comes to welcome. Now we know how to make use of this. Now we know how to actually create a mobile app. Okay, now we are able to mirror and check it. Now let's come to our actual app we want to create. We want to create a ChatGPT app, which means we want to create a AI app which will actually get inputs from us and answer us accordingly. Okay, for that okay, let's delete everything. I won't delete everything and start from the beginning. So how to delete anything? See, you see this label one here, click on that, click delete, and it will get deleted. Again you click button 1, click delete, it will get deleted. So click button 2, click delete, it will get deleted. Okay, so it's empty screen now, and you can save the empty screen. It will ask you whether you want to save the empty screen. You click save the empty screen now. Okay, because we want it to be empty. So save the empty screen, we saved it. Now let's plan our app. Okay, let's plan our app. So if you want to create your own ChatGPT app, first of all, you should take input from you, right? You should take input from you, and then you should generate some output based on input you give. For example, if you go to ChatGPT here, okay, if you go to ChatGPT here, you can see here there is one input. This is where you type your message. Okay, you give your input. For example, if you ask what is black hole, okay, and it generates like this. What we can do is we can have one input box and then one output box. Okay, we'll have two things. Okay, we'll make it simple. Let's not make it complicated. We'll make it simple. We'll have one input box, one output box. Okay, so let's do it. What I want to do now, for that, first of all, listen to this. First of all, I want to actually arrange it in different way. First of all, okay, let me add a horizontal arrangement. Look at this properly. Okay, listen to this properly. Horizontal arrangement means you want to arrange two things in horizontal, line by line, in the same line. Okay, okay, delete option is here. See, you can click on in component and click delete here. You see delete here, this is delete. You can click on this. So select button 1, click delete, it will get deleted. Okay, now listen. Okay, so let me tell you, I want to arrange, why I want horizontal component means I want to arrange the text box and the button. So let me maybe I can say paint. See, I want to actually have the app like this. Let me draw it and then show you. So I want to actually have the app like this. It should be like this. Okay, and what we can do was we can actually add a text box here. Okay, and a button here. So this is, let's add a text box. This is text box and this is a button, and we'll have the output window here, output screen. So I'll put some input here, I'll ask something here and press this button, and after pressing the button I'll get the output in this space. So let's create it this way. See, arranging or the style of the app is your own wish. I'm just showing some basic way, but you can change it later. Okay, or even if you want to change it now, you can change it, but I'm going to create it this way: a text option and a button and the output thing. Now listen to me, let's create like this. And how to do it? First of all, put horizontal arrangement. See, I'm going to arrange these two in the same line, right? This text box and this button are on the same line. I have to arrange them like side by side. For that you need horizontal arrangement. Okay, so let me add it first. Let me add horizontal arrangement. See, I'm adding it here. After adding it, okay, you'll see this coming on this. Now very importantly, look at this, very importantly, first you have to set the height and width of it. If you add any horizontal arrangement or vertical arrangement or anything, you have to set the height and width of it. For height option, make it automatic. Okay, don't change it. It will adjust according to whatever you add inside it. Okay, let the height be automatic. For width alone, you put fill parent. Fill parent means it will fill the width of the mobile screen. Parent is the mobile phone, right? Mobile phone is the parent now. Parent means the one which holds it. So if you put fill parent here, it will see, it will fill the width of the mobile phone completely like this. Okay, let me repeat. Add horizontal arrangement like this. After adding it, you have to change the height and width of it. Don't change the height, let it be automatic. Width alone, select fill parent and you just click, so it will come like this. So let me delete this. I hope you're able to do it. Okay, so after doing this, I want to add a text box. See, add a text box here like this. See, you can see the height automatically adjusted. The height automatically adjusted now. I added a text box here. I just dragged a text box and put it here. Similarly, I want to add a button. So I'll add one button, drag a button and put it side to this. See, I'm putting it right side of the text box. So I added a text box. So what you can do is, for text button, you can put the text as send. That is enough. Okay. And what I want you to do now, I wanted to put this text box width. I want to change the width of the text box. Listen to me properly. Let the send button. Okay, let me change the color of send button. We can change it to, let's say, okay, we can make it orange or yellow. Okay, I'll make it orange and font bold. And I like actually rounded buttons, so I like it. Anyways, so this is send button, and this text box, I want you to listen to this carefully. I want the text box to expand, like I want to fill at least 80% of the screen. So what you can do here, click on the text box, and set the width to be, I can fill to 80%. See, 80% maybe. Okay, 80% too much, huh? Okay, make it 70% or 75%. 70% should be fine. 70%. So 70%, as you can see, the text box got extended. So now you have a text box and a send button. Okay. Next, you have to add an output screen. Output screen, actually output will get printed in label only. See, label is the output. That is the text, right? After you type something, this text, after you type and ask something, it should give this text, right? This text it will actually be in label. Okay, it is actually text, right? So any text is label. So I have added a label, but this label will be very big, not like welcome. Okay, what we did before is single one word, welcome. But this label value will be very big because we will get all this, as the value of label. So what I want to put one more arrangement, vertical arrangement. Vertical arrangement means it will be big. Okay, vertical arrangement, you arrange something up and down. Okay, so for this, let the height be automatic and width also fill parent. And most importantly, okay, wait, don't do this. One second. Let me delete this. Don't do this. 1 second. I want to put a scrollable vertical arrangement. See, vertical scroll arrangement. Why vertical scroll arrangement? Because if the output is very big, it will go above the mobile screen. So you have to scroll and check it. You have to scroll up and check it. So you have to actually add vertical scroll arrangement. You see this vertical scroll arrangement? So go for this. Vertical scroll. Let me put that here. Okay. And then fill parent. Okay, let it fill parent and drag and put this label here. See, drag this label, put it inside. See, and for now, you just change the label value to no output. Okay, no output. See, this is it. That's it. That is it. That's what you need. You have your appearance ready. You have your ChatGPT app appearance ready. Now if I look at my screen and if I look at my mobile phone, let's do it. So let's do it again. So let's check it. So 192. Okay, so let me scan it and check it. So if I scan it and check it, let me see what I get. So if I scan it and check, so I have this. So I have one text box and a send button, and key down there is something called no output. So we have it ready. Now we have to add the ChatGPT functionality. Okay, now we have to write the logic and add the ChatGPT functionality. Let me show it how. Let me show you. Let me go quick. It's already 1 hour, so let me make it quick. So I'll go faster. You can watch the video. I can do it. For adding ChatGPT functionality, you have to go to experimental. You see the experimental here. So it has two options: chatbot and image bot. We'll use both. Okay. Let's add chatbot. Add chatbot here, and it says it is experimental, which means it's not actually fully functional. Anyways, you can make use of it. See, I'm adding a chatbot. Let me repeat. In experimental, the some chatbot, drag and put it here. You won't see it on the screen. Okay, make note of this. Okay, let me repeat. In experimental, you see this experimental here. Let me close this. See, this is experimental here. In experimental, there is chatbot. Drag the chatbot and put it here, but you will see it only below. Okay, you won't see it on the screen because it is non-visible. Chatbot is non-visible. You can't see it. It's a functionality. So it will be down, but you can see it here now. Okay. Now, if you have your own ChatGPT key and all, you can add it here. Okay. Sometimes for example, I have my own ChatGPT key. I have my own OpenAI account. I have my own key for generating different. If in that case, you can add your own API key and all that. For now, leave it as it is. Don't change anything. Okay. Don't change anything. Just add it and put it here. Okay. Now go to blocks. Okay. Now let's run this. So, and what is the logic now? When I click send button, okay, when I click send button, which is button 1, okay, when I click button 1, it is an experimental. You see experimental here. Chatbot option is there in experimental. You see experimental below Lego Mindstorms. Above extension, you see experimental, it has chatbot and image bot. Okay, fine. So let me repeat again. So you have to come to blocks. Before that, let's say the logic. The logic is when I click button 1, which is the send button, whatever text I give here, it should be sent to chatbot. Let's do that first. Okay. When I click button 1, whatever text box has, this text box acts, it should be sent to the chatbot. Okay, so let's do it. So when I click button 1, okay, I should send the text box text content. So text box has some text now. For example, if I type give me what is black hole, if I type what is black hole, it is stored as a text in text box. Okay, what I type here inside this, it will be stored in text value of the text box. So what I have to do, I have to go to text box and get text box text. Okay, this one. Okay, and then drag this and put it here. And okay, not set actually. I'm sorry. We should not set. We should get the text value. We should get what is given in the text box. So we should get what is given in text. This one, not set. Okay, don't go for set. Go for this one. Text box window text. and this should be sent to the chatbot. And go to chatbot, click chatbot, and in chatbot you will see this option. See, converse. Okay, conversation. That's what converse means. Converse means conversation. So you click converse, drag this, put it here. Okay, it says converse, and you give the text here like this. See, let me repeat. So when I click button 1, you send the text box text to the converse question chatbot. And where is it? It is in chatbot. You see chatbot here on the left side. After you added chatbot in this window, you can see the chatbot in here also. So when you click chatbot, you will see this option, call chatbot 1.converse question, conversation. You ask some question, that's for conversation, right? So after clicking, you will get it. Now after sending the question, chatbot will give you some response, right? Chatbot will give response. Now that response I should show in this output, this label. That response, whatever response chatbot gives, that should be sent to the label text. And how will I do it? Let me do it again. Let me do it. See, you go to chatbot. In chatbot, you will see an option called got response. See, when chatbot 1 got response, which means after chatbot sends you a response, what you should do, what do you want to do? So I'll drag this first. Okay, I'll drag this. When chatbot got the response, that response is stored in this one. See, response is stored in response text. You can see that here. Whatever response chatbot, for example, if I ask what is black hole, chatbot will give this response, right? This is the response. Now this text actually is stored in this response text. So if you put your mouse on top of it, see, if you put mouse on top of it, you get two options. One is getting the text, other one is setting the text. I don't want to set the text now. I want to get the response actually, right? I want to get the response what chatbot sent to me. So I'll get the response now. And put it to label 1. Okay, I'll set label 1. Okay, because label 1 is the text we set. So label 1's text to this response text. Let me repeat again. So after I get the response from the chatbot, I should show the text in the label, right? That's how we create a label here. This label we created is for showing the chatbot response. So I should put the label's text equal to the response I got from chatbot. So I went to chatbot. In that I have an option called what we should do after you got the response. So after I get the response from the chatbot, I want to set the label 1's text value to the response I got. Now let's try this. I want to go to connect a companion, go to my app. So let's do it. Where is the screen? Okay, here it is. Sorry, it's connecting again. Why? Okay, so I have it now. So let me close this, scan again. So where is the scanning part? Here it is. So scan it now. Come back here. Let's see what I get. I scanned it. I'm waiting for it to come to my mobile phone. It'll take some time. Okay, now I have it. Now let's ask the same question we asked. What is black hole? Okay, let me ask same question. Send it. I sent it. Let's wait. Okay, let's see if I'm getting the response. See, I got it. I asked what is black hole. It sent me something. See, a black hole is a region in space where the gravitational pull is so strong. Okay, let's do something. Let's create some. Let's do something else. I'll say answer like a kid, which means if you ask a kid what is black hole, what the kid will say, what the child will say. Let's ask it. I'll send it again. I sent it. See, I got the response. A black hole is like a giant vacuum cleaner in space. It has super strong gravity that pulls everything in. Okay, see that? So basically, you have created your own ChatGPT. This is your own ChatGPT now. You have created your own ChatGPT now. You understand? How many of you did it? How many of you? Let me show the screen again. This is the logic we had to give. We were able to create a ChatGPT, our own ChatGPT. Whatever ChatGPT does, okay, we ask some question, we are able to get it. We'll do something. Okay, I'll ask something else. I'll ask something like okay, what is, okay, we'll do what is give me something. Okay, what should I ask? What is something oh, we'll do something else. Okay, say Tirukural like Rajnikant. Okay, I don't know. I don't know how it will respond. Let's say that. Say Tirukural like Rajnikant. Let's say that. Okay. Let's ask for it. I don't know. Okay. Okay. Tirukural's ultimate guide to life. Okay, I don't know. It's something different. Listen up, my friend. Tirukural is like ultimate guide. Okay. In Rajnikant style. Maybe you can put in Rajnikant style. Let's try this. I don't know what it will say. Ah, see, it's giving something. It's giving, you see, I'm able to scroll. You see that? I'm able to scroll the content. You see that? Because we added scroll vertical arrangement. Yeah, you can change the screen one name. We can change this. I will tell you how. Okay, we can change the screen one again. Okay, for example, what you can do is you can come here. You can change the screen's name here. Click on screen. Click on screen, and below you'll see screen title. You see that? So I think, but you can change only one. Change the screen name. For example, I'll change it to my GPT itself. See, it got changed. It also got changed here. See, it also got changed here. Okay, so I hope you are all able to get your own ChatGPT. Now go for image. Let's try creating an image. Okay, this is the last part. Okay, and before that, okay, before that, uh, those who want to make use of other uh, courses we have to earn, okay, to earn something, what you have to do is you have to I'll show you a simple thing. We have an Independence Day offer here. I'll show that, and then you can make use of it. So this is we have created this Independence Day offer so that people can make use of our courses. Okay, so we have lots of courses, but we wanted to make sure people make use of the highly in demand ones and try to see, instead of again, I don't look at this courses for job and all that. So basically you have to go earn something through skill you acquire. So this courses, for example, we start with Python. Okay, because Python is important for create backend of the website. You know how they made this website? It's all Python, with Python and front end backend. You need to create a website like this to earn something. Okay, and you have to put some pricing and all that, and with this bundle you can actually do it. Okay, actually I have a special course here. You'll get all this, okay, in this bundle. start with Python, data science, data visualization, like you have NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and machine learning, data analysis, Power BI, data science mastery, how to create a voice assisted chatbot using Python. Actually, you can combine this with ChatGPT. If you look at if you go through this course, this voice and chatbot, you can combine that with this what we created and create a voice based ChatGPT. Okay. Also, we have computer vision, web development. If you learn web development, you can create a website like this, like Diamond Design. Okay. If you learn web development, you can create a website like this using that. And this is very important. This is what I want to. This is a complete course where we create a career advisor. For example, if you're doing something, if you are in some job or if you're in college, if you input your details, for example, what is your current designation, what are you currently studying, and what is your salary package, what are skills you have already, this will tell you what you can do next to upskill yourself and how to go up to your career. Okay, it is I have a course on how to create on a career advice using Python. Okay, so you'll have a website. Let me check if we have this. 1 second, let me show that if we have it. I'll share this. I'll share that screen and the thing. Okay, okay, I'll share that. I have to come here and check it. I'll load up my WhatsApp. 1 second. Okay, I think it's in my YouTube my YouTube or something. Okay, here it is. So this is it. So let me show that. 1 second. So let me show that, and maybe you can get an idea. Uh, so this is it. So this is it actually. Okay. So you will actually have a website. You will actually create a website where it will get all the inputs like this. After you give the inputs, for example, what you have and all that, after you click submit, your A career advisor will give you recommendations on what you should do after the current thing. Okay. So this course I have already. Okay, this course I have. So it is in this bundle. So and then you will see how to create software, because some people may want to create an AI software instead of a website. So if you want to integrate ChatGPT kind of what he created now, or using Python, if you want to create a software instead of a website, you can use the software development course. Also, I have an additional thing where you can create a game using Python, and all this we want to give it to you only for this price for now, and we have the offer till 5 p.m. today, so make use of it. Now I don't want you to look at this as expense, but I want you to look at this as some sort of investment, because these people, they invested 15,000 and got back 1.2 crores. We saw that, right? So they invested just 15,000 and they got back 1.2 crores. Now I'm very sure you can invest less than that and get the same amount or even more than that. It all depends on what your idea is. Okay, the acquiring skill is good. You'll get the skill through this. All this will give you the skill. Okay, and I want you to make use of the skill you acquire through this and then get money out of it. Okay, not just degree or something, but just start earning with the skill you acquire. Okay, so I'll send this link in the group. You can make use of it. Don't look at this as some sort of expense. Again, this is small investment you give to us for helping you to earn on your own skill. Okay, anyways, now coming back to this thing. Now let's see how to create your mobile bot, image bot. Okay, how to create image now based on your input. So for that, add image bot. You see image bot here, add it here. Okay, add image bot, and then for showing some image, okay, for showing some image, you need to have some canvas. Okay, so there's something called canvas. Canvas means an area where you can draw something. It is inside drawing and animation. Okay, drawing and animation. So drag the canvas and put it here. Okay, put it here. And what I want to do actually, shall we delete this or shall we have both? Shall we have both or okay, let me try. So we'll add one more screen then. We'll add one more screen. Add screen. We'll do something. We'll add one more screen and do that. Okay. So we'll add one more screen. See how I'm adding a screen here. So click add screen. Make it my DALL-E. My DALL-E. You know what's DALL-E, right? DALL-E is the DALL-E is the image generation of ChatGPT. Okay, so let's name it as my DALL-E. I clicked add screen and gave my DALL-E as the name. Now I have two screens here. You see, screen 1 and my DALL-E. Screen 1 is actually this one, which is actually the my GPT, and DALL-E is the second screen. This one, see, it's empty. If you select DALL-E, it's empty. Okay, so let's create in this. In this, I want to first of all add a canvas. Add a canvas, and for this screen, I want to make the screen as center. See, align center. I want to put everything in the center of the screen. Only then the image will be properly viewable. So, okay. So I want to put everything in the center. So select the screen, select the my DALL-E screen, and select align horizontal as center. Okay, keep it in center. After that, I want to fix the size of this canvas. Now image we generate can be of different sizes. Okay, my name is Muhammad Ilyas. Okay, let me say that in the chat. So Muhammad, okay, Muhammad Ilyas is my name. Okay, and okay, let me repeat. So the canvas, I want to fix the size of the canvas. Actually, I want to fix the size to be 256 pixels height and 256 pixels width, because the image we generate will be this size only. Okay, so 256 pixels height and 256 pixel width. So keep it like that. So let me repeat. After adding canvas, select the canvas and select the pixels height both to be 256. For making it center, select the screen here, my DALL-E screen, and you see align horizontal, select it as center. Okay, fine. So you have it. Now we need to add an input box. I add an input box, and then I add one button. For after adding input, you send this, right? We'll add create image. Okay, the three things. So I have one input box, and this button. Let's create image. Okay, fine. So we have two things. Let it be as it is. I'll make it as magenta, color to be text color white, and make it rounded. Fine. Okay. No need database connection. No need database connection. Okay. So now we have it ready. Now let's do it. What you have to do is now. What do I do now is we have to write the logic. We have the canvas ready to show the image. We have the text box ready to give some input. Maybe we can expand the text box, right? We can make it bigger. we can make the width to be 80% so that we get a bigger text box. Okay, and then we have create image button. After doing this, come to blocks, and wait, you have to add the image bot here. Listen here, people, listen to me, please listen to me. You added image bot in screen 1, okay, but we need image on screen 2 only. So delete this, go to screen 1, delete this image bot. We needed image bot in screen 2 only. So go to screen 2, my DALI, and then add image bot. Image bot will be in experimental. Go to image bot and add it. So it is in okay, it is an image bot is here, added. So now we have image bot. Okay, image bot here. Okay, so we have everything ready now for this thing. There's one more thing I want to add. I want to add a button for going to screen 1 also. We have to select here, right? Instead of that, add button here to go to screen 1 or screen 2. So I'll add one more button here. Okay, maybe on top, maybe we can add it on top. We can put it on top. So let me go to screen 1. So, or I will select as, I will go to my GPT. Okay, so this button will take me, or you can add an arrow also. Maybe you can add an arrow here. Okay, so I'll just put it, go to my GPT and make it maybe black or something. And see, it's up to you. If you want to add it. No, not a mandatory thing. Now this is because now I want to go to that screen also and do it. Also, we have to add this button in screen 1. In screen 1 also, go to screen 1, add a button, and make this as go to what is it? Go to my DALI. Okay, go to my DALI. Okay, again black and text color white. Okay, fine. Now come to screen 2. Come to screen 2. Okay, come to screen. Let's end this quick. Let's finish it fast. So come to screen 2. In blocks, go to blocks. Now this is button 1. Okay, this is button 1. When I click button 1, this input, okay, should be sent to image bot. Okay, that's the first logic. First logic is when I click create image button, which is button 1, whatever input I gave in text box should be sent to image bot. So let's do it. So when I click button 1, whatever text box text has, okay, should be sent to image bot. See, there's an option called create image. See that? Image bot create image, and it asks for description. Drag that, put it here, and put this here. So now, after when you click the button, when you give some input, and click create image, chatbot, image bot will create image now. Now, after creating the image, I want to show the image in the canvas. This is the canvas. Okay. After creating the image, I want to show the image in the canvas. That's the second logic. How will I do that? Go to image bot, and you'll see an option called image created. See what you want to do after image is created. So drag that. So when image bot image created, it is stored in this file. Whatever image is created, it is stored in this file actually. So first get that file, and I want to load this file in the canvas. So go to canvas, and you will see an option for loading that. One second. That is it. Okay. See here, set canvas1.background image. This is the option. Set canvas1.background image. You have to go select this. Take this, put it here. Okay. Now remove this thing. We don't need this. Delete it. we can put it here and delete it and put this file name here. So I'm setting the canvas background image to the image I got from ImageBot. Let me repeat. After the image is created, that image have to replace the canvas's background image. So what I'm showing, after image is created, I'm setting the canvas's background image to the file name, to this file which is created by the image. Now shall I try this? Let me try this. Connect. So let's do it. So start streaming. Now no need a database connection. Oh, database is possible. It's possible. Database connection is possible with MIT Inventor. There's the option. I'll show you how maybe. So let me scan this MIT App Inventor. So scanned it. Okay, scanned it now. So let me go to my, okay, it's scanned. Okay, got it now. I have this. Let me try now. So what shall we try? Indian flag in moon. Okay. Indian flag in moon, let's say. Okay. Now I'll tell you how to download the app. Wait. Okay, Indian flag in moon. So let's create image. Let's try this. I click create image. Let's wait for some time. Okay. Yes. Okay. I don't know. It's showing something, but it's really good. It looks good anyway. It created something. Anyways, but it's good. It's good that I get it. I hope you're also getting it. Let's try something else. What else can I try? Give me some ideas, guys. Give me some ideas. What can I try? Some random thing you can try. You can ask me. What else can I try? You can give some suggestions. Let me try something else. Okay, Independence Day, right? So celebrate Indian independence. Okay, celebrate Indian independence. I don't know what it will create. Let's try this. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. So it says you have exceeded free because I've been using for a lot of time. Okay. I'm using for a lot of time. I don't think you will be getting it. I'm getting it, but it says, okay, I'm getting the image, but I think you will be able to get it for some time. Okay. Now the other way, if you want to, you can make use of ChatGPT's API key also. But for that, I'll share a separate video, or you can see that in that course I share you. Because if you use ChatGPT's API key, you can generate easily. I'll show you OpenAI pricing. OpenAI. See here. You can use ChatGPT's. Okay, you can use ChatGPT, and you can pay $5 and create even 1,000 images. If you go to other services, other websites, they will charge you more. So if you go to this, you can use ChatGPT's API key, and I think you can use image. You see that here. You can charge. See, they charge only this much, $0.016 per image. How much is $0.016? $0.016 USD to INR. They just charge 1.3 for Indian rupees. Okay, it's not working. Why is it not working? What is it saying? So I can make use of the ChatGPT API key. Okay, for lesser price. You can, if you charge for $5, you can $5. How much time? I mean, $5 is like 7,000. Sorry, $5 is like how many? How much? 2, 3, 400 rupees, right? So you can generate almost 400 images with that. Okay, So we can use that because other services are very high, very costly. And I have covered that in this course. You can make use of it. Anyways, now coming to the last one thing, how to download this as an app. Okay, for that, okay, you see that. Before that, let me do one thing. I want to go to other this. I have added this button, right? Button for going to this one. So I had to click the function, add the functionality. If I click this button, it should go to my first screen, and in first screen, if I click this button, it should go to second screen. We should add that functionality. So let's add that in first screen. In first screen, so this is button 2 actually. See, it's button 2. Let's go to my DALI is button 2. So let's go to blocks. When I click button 2, I want to change the screen. And if you want to change the screen, you go to control. You see control here. On top there's something called control. You click control and there you'll see this option. See, in control, okay, you're getting error. Okay, this is chatbot is working. Okay, if you're getting error, create a new account. Create, or you can sign with some new Gmail account. There you will be able to get it. Use some other Gmail account, you will be able to get it. And I will show you how to add API key. Okay, I'll send a separate video, or you can go to the course and get it. Okay, now listen. Go to control, and see open another screen here. This one. Open another screen here and add this here and screen DALI. Select screen here. So now if you click this button now, it will go to my DALI screen. Okay. Similarly, if you want to add this to second screen also, go to my DALI screen. That also, if you click button 2, this is button 2, right? Yeah, it's button 2. So if you click button 2, open another screen. Okay, open another screen, and it should be screen 1. Okay, and I have both the options. So now if we try this, let's try it. So I have it now. 1 second. So let me MIT. I think it should close it and come again. So MIT, scan it. Okay, what are you asking? What is action bar? Okay, let me tell you. So I have this now. Now I have it. See, I have the top button working. So if you go to my ChatGPT, it come to the screen. See, and if we click go to my DALI, it comes to the screen. You see that? I can change the screens now. See, I can change the screen now. And action bar. See here. Now let me tell you how to download the app. That is what is important. If you want to download the app and install it permanently, go to build. You see build here. You click Android app. Okay, let me repeat. You go to build, click Android app. It will build this app and give you a QR code. Okay, it will build this app and give you a QR code. Wait for some time. Okay, it will build this and give you a QR code. It is building it now. So building will take some time. Okay. See, you have to pay for ChatGPT. There are other options available which you can use for non thing. Okay, scan this. Okay, scan this and you scan this with MIT App Inventor itself. Okay, I'm going to scan this with MIT App Inventor itself. Scan, and after scanning it, see, after scanning it, it is asking me to see. This is very important. It'll tell you the file may be harmful because this is not from Google Play Store, right? Because it's not in Play Store. You are downloading the APK straight away, so it'll give you a warning, but you have to say download anyway. Okay, so say download anyway, and then it will download it. Now while installing also, see, while installing also, it will give you some warnings and all that. You have to, okay, it says app installed. See, my GPT version 2. You see the app name? It is a separate now. You can see you can see that in my, see, MIT App Inventor is separate and my GPT is separate. My GPT version 2. This is the app. Okay. This is the app we have now. My GPT version 2. MIT is different. Okay. That is what we use for scanning and mirroring it. Now we have downloaded and install it. Okay. My GPT version 2. See, it's opening. Okay. Now last something. What is Neptune? I'll ask what is Neptune, maybe. Send it. Let's wait. See, it got, so I'm getting the output. I'm getting the output now. It is getting saying something. Say something in Tamil. Something in Tamil. நீங்கள் எப்படி இருக்கிறீர்கள்? Okay. Fine. It is saying something. See, I just told you how to download it. I just told you how to download it. Let me repeat again. To download the app in your mobile phone, go to build. You see this build option on top? You go to build option, you click Android app. When you click Android app, don't give this, okay? Click Android app. It will build this and give you two options. One is you can download this APK file to your mobile phone, to your laptop, or you can scan it and install straight away. See? It's building now. Okay. So this is it. So we have, you are getting the QR code now. So when you can scan this QR code, it will go through the steps of okay, increasing. I'm downloading it. Now for, okay, see, for image generation, for if you add your own APK, it will be useful. I'll tell the steps. Listen to the steps alone. See here. If you use your own APK, you won't get this problem. In ImageBot, you see the API key option. Okay, you can give your ChatGPT API key. How you can generate ChatGPT API key? For that, see, in your ChatGPT, you can log in. See, just give it as OpenAI login. OpenAI is the company who created ChatGPT. Okay, so give OpenAI login. Okay, log in with your account. After you log in, it'll give you two options. One is ChatGPT API. Leave ChatGPT, go to API. Okay, go to API. In that, okay, you go to dashboard. Okay, click on dashboard here on top. You go to dashboard. In the dashboard, you see something called API keys. In the dashboard, you see something called API keys. Click on that. Now you can create a project and create a API key, or you can just create new secret key. Okay, create new secret key. Okay, you can say for example my first key or something. Okay, then create new secret key. See, I created it. After you create a key, you get this thing, right? This is very important. You have to copy it and keep it safe. Okay, also don't share with others. Now copy this key, come here and paste it, this one. See, let me repeat. You go to OpenAI, okay, where is it? In OpenAI, you'll see option for creating API key. After you creating API key, copy the key and paste it here, and then you build it. Now after doing that, it will charge you from your account. Now the point here is ChatGPT is not free for developing app. It will give free for some time. See, we were able to generate image for 1 or 2 times. Also, we are able to generate some text for free. So they will actually give free for some time only. So I was creating those images with the cat images and all that for free only. For some time they'll give free. But if we keep using it, they will charge you. But I tell you, it's useful to pay. You can actually pay $5 and make use of it for longer time. See, I pay, actually I recharge it. You see usage option here, usage option. In usage option, you can actually recharge your ChatGPT account. See, you can see here, I can go here. Actually, they give $5 for those who are creating new account, but that got expired. They'll give only 3 months $5 credit, but that will expire. If you maybe you can create new ChatGPT account, they'll give $5 free credit. But if you want to recharge it, you can go to you can say increase limit, and you can recharge it $5, and then you can actually add it. Okay, so we can actually recharge it using it. Okay, here it is. Upgrade to a paid account, and you can add payment details and then recharge $5 and make use of it. Okay, only for some time you can generate images and everything for free. If you keep using them, they will charge you. Okay, but there are other options also. Where you can even use open source models. Okay, for that, go through the course. I will add the content there. Okay, and so that's it. I hope you are able to create at least both of them. Okay, if you take $5, they will charge you $0.02 rupees dollars for every image, but for text they will charge you very less only. See, for text it will be very less. They will charge you, see, they will charge you like this. If you are generating text and all that, they will charge you. If you use ChatGPT 3.5, okay, if you use ChatGPT 3.5, where is ChatGPT 3.5? Okay, if you use ChatGPT 3.5, they will charge you only $1.5 for 1 million tokens. 1 million tokens means 750 words is equal to 1000 tokens. Okay, 750 words is equal to 1000 tokens. So 1 million token means 7,50,000 words. Okay, you can generate for $2. You can see here, for $2 you can generate 7,50,000 words for $2. So $2, if you recharge for $5, you can generate words up to almost like 15 lakhs, more than 15 lakhs actually, almost 20 lakh words you can generate for $5. So it's huge. But if you generate an image, they will charge you more. If you generate images, they will see this. Where is image model? Where's image model? If you generate image, see, if you use DALI 2, they will charge you for 256 or 256. They'll charge you $0.06 for image. So for $5, you can create up to 400, 300 images. 300 images for $5 you can generate. So it's less actually. Okay, because other people who are you have created websites, okay, based on this they are charging you more actually. So instead of asking them, you can create your own app like this and create a ChatGPT account, recharge it and make use of it. You get it? Okay, and fine. So that's it from my end. So thanks for joining, people. You have been responsive actually. I hope you are able to generate text and image with it. Also, if you are doing something out of it, please share with me. I'll be happy to hear it. Okay, if you are generating any tool on your own, if you're earning something based on this, I'll be happy to hear it. So change it. Yes, it has AdMob. It has AdMob option. Okay, it has AdMob option, but that comes an extension. Okay, you have to add AdMob extension, make use of it. Okay, and again, and by the way, please don't forget to like subscribe to our channel, share our channel with others, ask them to ITT Tamil is the channel name. Okay, so subscribe with others, ask others to subscribe. Also, I suggest you to go and buy this course, because as I told you, uh, the amount you're spending now, you change your career totally. Because I'm not seeing the AI tool creation as some sort of jobs or knowledge. I'm seeing those things as an option for even side income. Okay, you can create simple tools, AI tools, and create side income. People will pay you, even if they pay you 10 rupees or 20 rupees, even that will help you. Okay, actually I'm also creating a tool. I will launch my tool in another 1 month. Okay, I'm creating a tool for students, which will help them in many ways. I'll launch it in 1 month most probably. It's a very good tool. It will help college students mostly. I'll launch it and let you know. Okay, so thanks for joining. Watch the video again, do it if you're not able to do it now. See you again in some other session. Okay, bye bye guys, take care. Good night. I mean, not good night. Okay, enjoy the day. See you in some other session. It has Tamil version also. It is an see, the course bundle has Tamil and English. Every course is hands-on. Every course I showed you here is a hands-on course. There's nothing like, see, that's how I create my course. Okay, every course I create is a hands-on session. It's not like theory and all that. You will do as you do it. Okay, it has Tamil and English also. See, all these courses, if you buy from here in my website, it will be very costly. This is my website actually. Okay, if you come and buy this here, if we go to for example, I have Python, it's 1950. You see this, each and every course if you buy separately, it's costly. Okay, but I want to give this as a bundle and give this out of just for 419 as a like as a bundle, so that you can make use of it. Okay, because you have attended my session first of all, so that's for that as a gratitude. So go through all that. If you go data science courses and all that, if you it will be costly again. So everything is, this mastery is 15,000. I'm adding this mastery course in the bundle. So the whole courses will be like hundreds, 150, even 200 cars. See, this mastery course itself is 30 hours. I'm giving that in the bundle. So this is the link. I'll share the link in the chat. I'll share the link also in the group, WhatsApp group. Let me create. Okay, so make use of it. Okay, people, make use of it. I'll be happy to see you make use of it and do something out of it. Okay, let me show that here. 1 second. Okay, so here it is. Let me share that in the group now. AI app. Where is it? Here it is. So this is it. Okay, I sent in group. Okay, so those who want to buy it, you can buy from there. Thanks everyone again. Thanks again. Once again, thank you all. Bye bye. Take care. See you in some other session. Okay. Bye bye, people.